Good evening. My name is Ajay, and my friends Jennifer and Nishita. We are discussing about the breeding objectives and the crop improvement approaches in pear. Pear. Botanical name of pear is Pyrus communis. Family is Rosaceae. Origin is Europe, and chromosome number is 2n is equal to 51. And fruit type is pome, and varieties of pear are Bartlett, Starking Delicious, Hardy, China pear, winter Nilis, and Flemish beauty. And the chilling requirement for peer cultivation are the are 1200 hours. And propagation and rootstocks of pear. The rootstocks are commonly used for the pear propagation of pear, Kent and Shira seedlings, and clonally propagated by queens. Sometimes rooted cuttings of pear are also used for propagation. For raising rootstock seeds of pear, seeds of pear, Kent, and Shira are extracted from fully mature fruits, and the pear commonly propagated by the tea budding during the May and June, or tongue grafting is done during the month of December and January. Thank you.
The breeding objectives for pear cultivation includes resistant to common diseases and pests such as fire blight and scab. Both fire blight and scab are the two common diseases affecting pear fruit. Fire blight is caused by Bacterium Erwinia mylovara, which causes wilting, death of blossoms, which ultimately leads to fruit rot. Example is Mungo and Magnus. Scab caused by fungus Venturia purina, which results in dark, scabby lesions on fruit, reducing its quality and marketability. Next objective I have is the improving fruit quality, such as flavor, texture, color, storage life. Next breeding objective I have is the increasing yield potential and productivity through traits such as early maturity, high fruit set, and layered fruit and large fruit size. And the next is the enhancing the adaptability of pear cultivation to different environmental conditions and geographical areas. Um, Overall, the breeding objectives for pears include developing cultivars with enhanced disease resistance and improved fruit quality, increased productivity and adaptability, and environmental sustainability.
So, Jennifer, I have a question from you. Why we need the resistance from fire blight in pear?
Okay. Fire blight typically enters pear trees through natural openings like blossom wounds or pruning cuts. During the blooming period, infected pear blossom can appear water-soaked, turning dark brown to black and giving off a foul odor. The bacterium then spreads through rain, wind, and insects and other means to healthy blossom and shoots, leading to rapid infection.
Okay, Jennifer, why we need to improve the fruit quality?
Fruit quality is another very important objective in all pear breeding. It includes size, shape, skin color, flesh color, texture, flavor, storage type, and processing quality of fruits. So cultivars having bright yellow with a bright red blush fruit color on ripening is required, and long storage life without internal breakdown is another important point.
Okay.
So, a breeding method for the pear involves a range of technique aims at the developing the new variety with improved traits such as disease resistance, fruit quality, yield, and adaptability to different climate. And here are the some techniques which is used for the improving the fruit breeding. First is that conventional breeding, cross pollination, control pollination between the selected parents plant with the desirable trait, and this method help in improving this method use the genetic diversity and aim to combine the best character of the plant parent plant. Selection, the careful observation and evaluation of the offspring for desirable traits such as fruit size, flavor, aroma, texture, gum, disease resistance, and these are helpful for like these plants offspring help for do the further evaluation. Hybridization, interspecific crosses and intraspecific crosses. Interspecific crosses cross between the species of the peer to introduce the new trait or enhances the existing one, and this help in improving the plant. And intraspecific, the cross between the different variety of the same species to improve the specific traits such as fruit quality, size, texture, disease resistance, and mutation. In, mutation, uh, the plant is exposed to the radiation or the chemical which into uh, help in genetic mutation, and that MAS, the ma- maker assistant selection, that using the in this that we are using the molecule techniques to identify the specific gene or the DNA sequences associated with the desirable traits, and this allows to improve the quality of the plant without changing them fully. And genetic engineering, in this the we introduce the genes from another species to the peer genome to confer the specific traits such as disease resistance or the enhance in the nutrition value, and then gene editing. In this, the technique CRISPR and Cas9 are used for precisely modify the existing gene within the peer genome and offering the potential for triggering improved varieties. And back crossing, the cross between crossing the new hybrid with the one of the parent line, and this aim to transfer the specific trait from the current parent to the new while retaining the desirable character of the new pla- plant. And grafting and cloning is also there, and in this that like propagation of desirable variety of by grafting to the rootstock, and this enables that the new plant is exist like it's a replica of the parent plant and while maintaining the its desirable traits.
ये निशिता, हाइब्रिडाइजेशन कैसे इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं हम?
uh, in hybridization we takes the desire uh, parent of the desirable plant, and in this we increase the different varieties of the increase the fruit texture. uh, we make the cross between the different varieties desirable varieties, and make the cross between and make the new hybrid, and which helping increase the texture, yield, and different qualities uh, from this flavor, nutrition enhancement, and
Okay.
Okay, Nishita, how
hmm?
helps in breeding?
Mutation helps in breeding by increase in mutation, like I have previously told you that in mutation we use some chemicals or radiation for inducing the different traits uh, with the through this, like new traits are inverted, and which helping increasing the uh, flavor, texture, modify the texture, with different type of color, and increasing the disease resistance, increasing the shelf life, nutrition, and all. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Recent achievements in pear breeding includes the new pear varieties, new pear rootstocks, and mutant varieties of pear. In new pear varieties, it includes the variety, harvest queen, which is a late season variety known for its large golden yellow fruits with sweet, juicy flavor and excellent storage capabilities. Then second variety is the Crimson Blaze, a red-skinned Asian pear variety with a crisp texture and refreshing, slightly tart flavor. Okay. New peer rootstocks includes the rootstocks like Superior Root 101, Dwarf Guard 202, Vigor Max 303, Blight Shield 404, Adapt Root 505, and mutant varieties of your like Sugar Bliss, Giant Glow, Ruby Red, Butter Smooth, Golden Honey, Crisp Crunch, like that, etc.
Ajay, I have a question for you. Tell
Okay.
me the name of the rootstock which have resistance to soil-borne disease and their parents.
The rootstock superior root 101 is a resistance to soil-borne diseases and pests.
And their parents?
Parents are Pyrus calirena and Pyrus communis.
Okay.
Okay, Ajay, can you name the new pair Woodstocks and their parents?
Okay, the rootstock is Dorf Guard 202, and its parents are Pyrus communis into Bitulifolia, Vigor Max 303. Its parents are Calirena and Pyrus pyrifolia. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank
Thank
you
you
for
for listening
listening.
to our podcast.
Thank you everyone.
Thank you.